Hello guys, welcome. So guys, previous video we have configured from LAN cable. Now this video I will show you how to connect from wireless communication from your mobile devices, connect and configure your router using mobile. So connect your Wi-Fi using the by default password and username and type IP address of login router, which is 192.168.100.1, and the by default password is username is admin and password is std onu capital 101 and password is CSLU. This is the verification and click on login. After you login, the first time interface will come. You can type here the old password std onu capital letter 101 and type which you think which is better. You can type here the new password. If you choose that your choice, you can change what kind of password you change. So again login your router first time. So type the password W and a verification code 4L and click on login. After you login this time, go to web for PC and click on networks and go to here. This is the by default profile. You can delete this profile. Select and TR profile. Make sure that if you are configuring an internet access on this router, you can delete this profile and select the IP for selection and type here the VLAN ID. If your ISP will configuring a VLAN configuration on OLT optical line terminal, then you can select, and MTU side you can select 1480 and type here the username of your broadband credential user ID authentication, which is goes to broadband dash server authentication. This is the username password you can configure here and click on apply. This is the simple setting. If you apply this setting, your internet connection will up and your internet connection will working fine. You can check and go to status and go to once. Here you can see the internet connection status is up. And finally setting, we have configuring a wireless communication. Go to wireless basic settings. Here you can see VDS. We have, first of all, we have configuring 5G wireless settings. So we have to come here and type your password and type here the SSID which we have. So we have VSOL and type here password. The most important thing you must need a 5G device support. If you check this wireless 5G configuration will 100% working, not person. Now I'm configuring 2.4 gigahertz mobile depending on resources. So click on it. After you apply these settings, your SSID, after you change and apply the setting your SSID, your Wi-Fi connection will drop from your mobile, because we have configuring a router from our mobile device through wireless communication, not through LAN cable. So it will be disconnect and we go back and again we have connecting our Wi-Fi. Now we have again log in our router. So this is the most important thing. You can connect again, reconnect. This is most important. Finally I will restart my router. So after restarting, my internet working fine. Thanks for watching.